Today I want to talk to you about applications of percents. This is Course 3, Chapter 6, Lesson 6. Okay, looking at example 1, a real estate agent is paid a monthly salary of $900 plus commission. Last month he sold one condominium for $65,000, earning a 4% commission on the sale. How much was his commission? What was his total pay last month? So let's fill in the blanks here. First, we know that he had 4% commission of $65,000. So if we change 4% to a decimal and multiply that by $65,000, we'll get $2,600. And knowing that, he made $2,600 plus the $900, which is his monthly salary. On top of his commission, he made $3,500 last month. So his total pay for last month was $3,500. Now what I want you to do is complete Check It Out number 1 and check your work. Please pause the video. Looking at the answer for Check It Out number 1, 5% of his $50,000 commission, so he had, of his total sales of one sports car was a cost of $50,000. So we changed the percent to a decimal, which is 0.05, and then times it by 50,000. So we got $2,500. The total pay then is $700, his monthly salary, plus the $2,500 comes out to $3,200. Okay, number 2. If the sales tax is 6.75%, how much tax would Adrian pay if he bought 2 CDs at $16.99 each and 1 DVD for $36.29? Well, if we multiply 2 times $16.99, we get $33.98. And if we multiply 1 times $36.29, we get $36.29. Now they want us to add up and figure out what our total is, and our total price is $70.27. You need to convert the tax rate to a decimal and multiply by the total price. So Adrian would pay about $4.74 in sales tax. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video for 30 seconds to complete Check It Out number 2. Okay, you should have done Check It Out number 2. Amy rents a hotel room for $45 per night. She rents for 2 nights and pays sales tax of 13%. How much sales tax does she pay? So 2 times 45 is 90, and then I took the 90 and multiplied by the 13%, which as a decimal is 0.13, to get my answer $11.70. So Amy paid $11.70 in sales tax. Okay, we're on number 3. Anna earns $1,500 monthly. Of that, $114.75 is withheld for Social Security and Medicare. What percent of Anna's earnings are withheld for Social Security and Medicare? So we need to think, what percent of $1,500, that's how much Anna makes, is $114.75. So we're going to write a proportion and solve. So we need to find the percent. N over 100 equals, we want to know what percent this is, so that's why it's the numerator, over 1,500. So now all I have to do is cross multiply to find my answer. And once you cross multiply and divide, you should find that the answer is 7.65%. So 7.65% of Anna's earnings are withheld for Social Security and Medicare. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video and do Check It Out number 3 on your own. Okay, this is Check It Out number 3. You should have solved your proportion. N over 100 equals 500 over 2,500. Cross multiplied to find that the answer was 20%. 20% of Bill's earnings are withheld for income tax. Okay, we are on number 4. A furniture sales associate earned $960 in commission in May. If his commission is 12% of sales, how much were his sales in May? So we need to think. $960 is 12% of what number? So we need to find that number. So we're going to use and solve by the equation and let S be total sales. So if I take 960 divided by 12% as a decimal and divide both sides by 0.12, the sales associates sales were $8,000 in May. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video for number 4 and do number 4. Check it out. Okay, check it out, number 4. You should have taken 770 that they made in commission, divided by 7% as a decimal, and found that she made in commission and sales for the month of May $11,000. Congratulations, you finished lesson 6-6.